Company settings is where you enter basic info about your business, like your contact and tax information. This info is used when you communicate with customers and vendors from QuickBooks. Let's go over how to add your logo and record things like your business address and phone number so they'll be included in communications. To get started, go to Settings and select Account and Settings. The Company tab is where you can view and edit your logo, company name, address, contact info, or employer identification number. Let's start with your logo. Select this box to upload your company's logo. After you upload it, QuickBooks automatically adds it to invoices or whenever you email or print something for your customers, like statements. In the Business Type section, choose the tax form you use when filing your yearly taxes. Your company address is important because QuickBooks uses it to calculate taxes, like the sales tax you charge customers and state payroll taxes. It's also usually included whenever you send a sales form or purchase order. To edit a section like Address, select Edit. Make your edits, then select Save. Now you're ready to set up your own company settings in QuickBooks.